Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Math for me and you. Let's learn maths together. Hi all, I am Sindhu Suresh. This is chapter 8, exercise 8.1, questions 6 to 10. Already I have posted a video about questions from 1 to 5. Question number 6. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equals cos B, then show that angle A equals angle B. Here also we have to draw a right angled triangle. So you can see here I have marked angle A and angle B as acute angles. Then angle C is the angle which is right angle. And we can mark C as 90-degree angle. The side opposite to angle C, the side opposite to 90-degree angle is the longest side. Its name is hypotenuse. In this right angle triangle, the side AB is the hypotenuse. It is given that cos A is equal to cos B. Let's start from that sentence. Cos A is equal to cos B. We know the ratio. What is cos? Cos is adjacent side over hypotenuse. Adjacent side of the angle divided by hypotenuse. Here when we consider angle A, the side adjacent is AC. Divided by hypotenuse is AB. When we consider the angle B, which side is adjacent? Side BC. So we can write BC divided by AB. Two ratios are equal. AC divided by AB is equal to BC divided by AB. Same denominator. That means the numerators are also equal. Therefore, AC is equal to BC. In a triangle, if the two sides are equal, here the sides AC and BC are equal. That means the angle opposite to corresponding sides will be equal. That means if we consider the side BC, the angle opposite to that is angle A. The angle opposite to side BC is angle A. Angle A is equal to the angle opposite to side AC. That is angle B. So we can write angle A is equal to angle B. This is the proof. Question 7. If cot theta equals 7 over 8, evaluate 1 plus sin theta times 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta times 1 minus cos theta and cot square theta. Let's draw a right angled triangle. You can see a right angle triangle. I have marked its acute angle, one of its acute angles as theta. Let it be triangle ABC. That means angle C is the right angle here. We can mark that angle as 90-degree angle. The side opposite to angle C, it is the longest side, or this is the hypotenuse. Side AB is the hypotenuse of this right triangle. And it's given in the question that cot theta equals 7 over 8. Let's start from that ratio. Cot theta equals 7 over 8. And then we can find the value of question number 1 and question number 2. What is the ratio cot? Cot is the ratio connecting with adjacent side and opposite side. That means adjacent side to angle theta divided by opposite side to angle theta. Because we are considering cot theta. Here we are getting 7 by 8 is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. That means when we compare, adjacent side is 7 and opposite side is 8. This is about angle theta. So we can mark adjacent side BC as 7 and opposite side, that is AC, as 8. In this right triangle, hypotenuse is missing. How can we find one side of a right angle triangle? If any side is missing, we can use the theorem of Pythagoras. Here we have to find hypotenuse. So we can write the theorem. Hypotenuse square AB square is equal to base square, that means BC square, plus altitude square or height square, that is AC square. So we get AB square equals AC square plus BC square. Substitute the values. 8 square plus 7 square, 64 plus 49, that is 113. It is AB square. So what about AB? AB is equal to root of 113. We have got all the three sides of this right triangle. Now we can find the value of question number 1. For that we need the ratios sin theta and cos theta. Sin theta, the ratio sin, what is that? Side opposite to the angle theta divide by hypotenuse. 8 over root of 113. Next cos theta. Cos theta is the ratio side adjacent to theta divide by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 7 divide by hypotenuse is root of 113. And these two ratios are enough to answer question number 1. What is question number 1? It is 1 plus sin theta times 1 minus sin theta over 1 plus cos theta times 1 minus cos theta. Look at the numerator. 1 plus sin theta times 1 minus sin theta. This is of the form a plus b times a minus b. What is the answer? The answer is a square minus b square. Now the numerator we can consider as, in place of a it is 1 and in place of b sin theta. So this is of the form a plus b times a minus b. And then we can use this identity and write down the answer. What is the numerator? Numerator will be of the form a square minus b square. That means 1 square minus sine square theta. 1 square is 1 minus sine square theta. The denominator. See, this is also of the form a plus b times a minus b. So we can write here a square minus b square. 1 square minus cos square theta. Sin theta equals 8 over root of 113. So what is sin square theta? 8 divided by root of 113 whole square. We can substitute as 1 minus 8 by root of 113 square. Cos theta is 7 by root of 113. Cos square theta is 7 divided by root of 113 square. We can write down here 1 minus 7 by root of 113 square. We can find the squares. Numerator 1 minus 8 square is 64. Root of 113 square is root and square cancel. We get simply 113. Denominator 1 minus 7 square is 49 and denominator is 113 because root of 113 square is 113. To get the answer 1 minus 64 by 113, we can change 1 also with the same denominator 113. How can we do that? If we multiply the numerator and denominator with 113, see 1, the numerator we multiply with 113, 1 with the denominator 1, so denominator also multiply with 113, then we can see they have same denominator 113 and the numerator 113 minus 64 and the denominator also we can simplify in the same way. If we want to find the answer, we have to change 1 as a fraction with the same denominator 113. So multiply numerator and denominator with 113. Then we can see the common denominator 113 and the numerator is 113 minus 49. Again we can find the answer 113 minus 64. It is 49. Divide by 113. And the denominator 113 minus 49, 64. Divide by 113. Now we can see two fractions. 49 divided by 113. The first fraction divide by the second fraction. How can we perform division? The first fraction multiply with the reciprocal of the second fraction. That means 49 divided by 113. We write same as it is and in place of division we write multiplication and the second fraction that is 64 by 113 we write the reciprocal. We can write 49 divided by 113. Then times second fraction write the reciprocal 113 divided by 64. Cancel the common number. 113 from numerator and denominator. Directly also, if you want, we can cancel. If they have two fractions having same denominator, we could cancel when we divide them. Now we get the result 49 divided by 64. So this is the answer for the first question. The second part is, if cot theta equals 7 over 8, what is cot square theta? To get cot square theta, what we have to do? We have to square the number 7 over 8, the whole square. And very easy. How can we do this? If we want to get the square, we have to take the square of the numerator and square of the denominator. 49 divided by 64. Eighth question is, if 3 cot A equals 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So what we need here? Here also we need a right angled triangle. And since the question is discussing about an acute angle, angle A, we could mark one of the acute angles as angle A. Let's give name to this triangle. Let it be triangle ABC. Which angle is the right angle? 90 degree angle is angle B. And one thing we know, that the side opposite to right angle, what is that side? This will be the longest side of the triangle and its name is hypotenuse. Look at here, which side is hypotenuse? Yes, AC is the hypotenuse of this triangle. Given ratio is 3 cot A is equal to 4. Divide both sides with 3, then we get cot A. What is cot A? 4 by 3. 4 over 3. What is the ratio cot? Cot is the ratio connecting adjacent side to opposite side. So we could write adjacent side divided by opposite side. In place of adjacent side, the number is 4 and opposite side, the number is 3. That means in the figure, we can mark adjacent side to angle A as 4 unit. What is adjacent side? AB. So let it be 4 unit and opposite side of angle A, that is 3. And one side is missing. Which side? Hypotenuse. In a right triangle, if any side is missing, we could calculate using the theorem of Pythagoras. So here we are going to write down hypotenuse square AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Substitute 4 square plus 3 square, that is 16 plus 9 equals 25. AC square equals 25. What about AC? AC is equal to root of 25 and that is 5. Now we could mark in this picture, the hypotenuse of this triangle is 5 units. Now we can find the value of 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A using the right triangle, because all the 3 sides are given here. And now we are going to use the triangle and find what is tan of angle A. The ratio tan, it is the side opposite to the angle divided by adjacent side. 3 divided by 4. And substitute here and find the value. 1 minus 3 divided by 4 square divided by 1 plus 3 divided by 4 whole square equal to 1 minus 9 by 16 divided by 1 plus 9 by 16. Simplify numerator part and denominator part. 1 we can change as 16 denominator. How can we do that? Multiply up and down with 16. Denominator 1 also we can change. Multiply up and down with the number 16. See, the numerator and denominator, both the fractions we have changed with the same denominator. So we can write 16 as the common denominator. 16 minus 9 divided by, here also 16 as the common denominator. 16 plus 9 divided by 16. See, two fractions and they have same denominator 16. We can directly cancel the common denominator. Now we can write what left? 16 minus 9, that is the numerator, 7 divided by 16 plus 9, it is 25. So we get the answer 7 over 25. Now we have to check this is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. For that we can use the right triangle and find what is cos A and sin A. Cos A is the ratio adjacent side to angle A divided by hypotenuse. From the right triangle, we can write this is equal to 4 over 5 because adjacent side is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. Next we can find what is sin A. Sin A is equal to opposite side to angle A divided by hypotenuse. So we get the result or the ratio as 3 over 5. Now we can substitute cos square A 4 by 5 whole square minus sin square A 3 by 5 whole square. That is equal to 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. You can see same denominator 25. So we can write 25 as the common denominator. Then the numerator is 16 minus 9. That is equal to 7 over 25. That means the two answers are equal. So what we can say? We can say that 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Question 9. In a triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A equals 1 by root 3, find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. We can draw a right angled triangle ABC. Right angle at B. You can see the two acute angles, angle A and angle C. It is given that tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. What is the ratio tan? Opposite side divided by adjacent side. Here it is tan A, that means side opposite to angle A divided by side adjacent to angle A. What is the opposite side? It is BC. So we can equate these two fractions. In place of opposite side, the number is 1. So we write BC as 1 unit. And adjacent side we could mark as a root 3 unit. This is a right angled triangle. And we can see 90 degree angle, that is angle B. Opposite to that is the side hypotenuse. And hypotenuse is missing. How can we find the length of AC or hypotenuse? By using the Pythagoras theorem. We can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That means AC square is equal to root 3 square plus 1 square. Root 3 square is 3 plus 1 square is 1. So 3 plus 1, 4. AC square is equal to 4. What is AC? Square root of 4. That means we get the answer 2. Hypotenuse AC is equal to 2 units. So we have got all the three sides. Now we can write the ratios sin A and cos A. After that, when we consider angle C, we can write sin C and cos C. Now consider angle A. Sin A, the side opposite to angle A, that is 1 unit, divided by hypotenuse. So what we get the ratio? We get the ratio 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2. Now we can write what is cos A. Using the same angle, we can write what is cos A. Adjacent side to angle A divided by hypotenuse. So we get here the ratio root 3 divided by 2. Now we need the ratios sin C and cos C. For that, we have to consider the other acute angle, angle C. Look at what is its opposite side and adjacent side. According to angle C, the side AB is opposite to angle C and the side BC is adjacent to angle C. So the opposite side is root 3 and adjacent side is 1. Now we can write sin C. That means opposite side to angle C divided by hypotenuse. Remember, the hypotenuse will not change if we change the angles from A to C. So we can write opposite side is root 3 divided by hypotenuse is 2. Now we can write cos C. Adjacent side to angle C divided by hypotenuse. What we get? We get the ratio 1 by 2. Now we can find the values of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Just substitute the numbers, then we get the answer. So we can write sin A cos C becomes 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 plus cos A sin C root 3 by 2 times root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 is 1 times 1 1 divided by 2 times 2 4 plus root 3 times root 3 square divide by 2 times 2 is 4. So 1 plus root 3 square is 3. Both having same denominator 4. That is 1 plus 3 is 4. Divide by 4. So we get the answer 1. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C is equal to 1. Next we are going to prove cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. All the values are here. Substitute. Cos A cos C. That means root 3 by 2 times 1 by 2 minus sin A cos C. 1 by 2 times root 3 by 2. So what we get? We get root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. That is equal to 0. 10th question is, in triangle PQR right angle at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 cm and PQ equals 5 cm. Determine the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. Let's draw a right angle triangle PQR, and right angle is angle Q. As we know, if we want to write down the ratios, we need all the three sides of this right angle triangle. What's given here? It's given PR plus QR equals 25 cm and PQ equals 5 cm. Let's mark PQ as 5 cm in this picture. The side opposite to the 90 degree angle Q is PR, and which is the hypotenuse. Given that PR plus QR is equal to 25 cm. From this we can find the hypotenuse PR. Keep PR on the left side and move QR to the right side. Then we get PR is equal to 25 minus QR. The third side QR we can find using the theorem of Pythagoras. Here PR is the hypotenuse, so we can start with hypotenuse square. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Substitute the values for PR. Then we get 25 minus QR the whole square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PQ square is 5 square plus QR square. And then the left side, we can remove the bracket by using A minus B the whole square. So we get A square minus 2AB plus B square form. In place of A, it is 25. So it is 25 square minus 2 times 25 times QR plus QR square. The right side, 25 plus QR square. And then we can simplify. We need QR. So first one, 25 square, we know that is 625 minus 2 times 25 times QR, it is 50 QR. See the left side of the equal sign and the right side of the equal sign QR square. So we can cancel that in the next step. The right side is 25 plus QR square. Now I am going to cancel QR square from left side and right side. Now I collect the numbers on one side and move QR term to the right side. It becomes positive 50 QR on the right side, and 25 I can move to the left side. It becomes minus 25. Next step we can write 625 minus 25 is equal to, right side is 50 QR. Simplify the left side. 625 minus 25 is 600. The right side is same, 50 QR. We can find the value of QR by dividing both sides with 50. Therefore, we get QR is equal to 600 divided by 50, and that is equal to 12. So, we get the length of QR as 12 centimeter. Using this QR, we can find what is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 25 minus QR, that is 25 minus 12, which is equal to 13 centimeter. All the three sides are ready in this picture. Now we can write the ratios sin P, cos P and tan P. For that, we need to consider the acute angle, angle P. According to angle P, we have to write down the ratios. Sin of angle P, sin P. Opposite side of angle P, which is 12, divided by hypotenuse, 13. Next is cos P. The side adjacent to angle P, which is 5 centimeter. Divide by hypotenuse 13. So what is the ratio we get? 5 divided by 13. Lastly, tan P. Opposite side of angle P, divide by adjacent side. That means we get here 12 divided by 5. Hope you have understand what we practiced over here. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. See you with more such useful videos. Thank you.